I don't know if that's the last time that bed's going to be on and off of there, but it gets it out of the way for the time being. I'm getting ready to go out back and grab the front clip, bring it out front and buff it up. Hopefully it shines up as well, and I can also get the old body side moldings off of there so I can put on the new ones. Looks like my gas cap filler lined up pretty good. Seeing that the bottom side of that bed on the frame that's all nice and painted up, I still may end up pulling that bed back off, wire brushing underneath, and putting a coat of undercoating underneath it, even though that bed floor is pretty well shot. We'll see. I don't know. See if something lights a hair under my behind. We'll see what goes on. Well, it's still a rusty farm truck, but I guess it's going to be a shiny rusty farm truck. hopefully that's the last time this bed has got to come off. And the bed floor is definitely not perfect, but it looks better than what was there before. I'm not real sure what I'm gonna do about the bed sides yet. I may end up cleaning that up and getting a roll-in bed liner for it down the road. But for right now, this will at least protect it from getting any worse than it already is. And up underneath, let's see if I can figure out how to turn on the light. There we go. Before, all of that rust and everything was just driving me nuts, so at least now it's all nice and blacked out. And everything all kind of matches and looks decent. Ah, that was one thing I forgot. This little guy right here. The bed ain't coming off to do it, but I think that's just one of those clip-in ones, so I can just pop that out of there. But the new moldings are here. I bit the bullet today and ordered the vintage air kit for it, so we can start getting the wiring harness in. Sorry about that. I ordered the new vintage air system, so hopefully we can start getting the wiring harness in, the new compressor put in place of that, and start getting the cab put back together. So little by little it's coming along, and all in all, I'll have a good running solid truck for about 3 times what it would cost to go to a used car lot and buy something decent. But I had fun doing it.